What is it, baby?
A box.
A box.
Daddy, box.
Thank you.
A box?
Are you excited about a box? Okay, sweetie, it's okay if there's some left on it, baby. It's okay if there's some left on it.
Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Hey, okay, yeah. Let's do this now. Then come jump out and get you. Oh my god, what is this? Okay.
Barbie doll.
Mermaid. Oh, Barbie doll.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that pretty one.
How many are there?
I don't know.
Oh, you know that. No more. I'm gone.
That's a lot.
Wow, Kayla.
You know what's gone?
They're all princesses. You have Snow White and Sleeping Beauty
Those are all the princesses.
and Cinderella.
When did you him now?
Oh, can you help her, honey? She's trying.
Right there.
Who is that? That's Sleeping Beauty.
These stay out here or can you play these out here?
Yeah, those don't go to your room, honey.
Stay out here, don't break the neck.
Careful with Snow White. Oh, so pretty.
Oh. Hi! Did you like that box? Oh yeah, that was so fun.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. I was getting my hair so messed up. We gotta go to the beauty. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's rock. Yeah. So we don't have bags.
Dad, stop messing with her Barbie doll.
Hey, over here. Well, what about this one? This one survived the box. I think this one. Oh,
Stop
we're gonna bury
playing with
this
her
one.
Barbie
She's
doll.
trying to make her voice higher like yours.
No, let's pick it up. Get up. Oh. Say hello.
Oh, group hug.
Good hug. Oh, good done. Oh, I gotta go to. Oh, that's Mermaid.
Dad, don't beat it.
Let's jump in the water.
Dad, please stop. Pick up.
Pick
up.
Oh my.
Dad, get back.
All right. Say bye bye.
Pick up.
All right.